बहुत भद्दे तरीके से कुछ चीजों को कहा गया है, प्रेजेंट किया गया है, ऐसा मुझे भी पता चला है, जो बिल्कुल गलत है.
My comment wasn't just inappropriate, it wasn't even funny. Comedy is not my forte. I'm just here to say sorry.
Amid the controversy over YouTuber and podcaster Ranveer Allahbadia's comments on a roast show, Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has weighed in, stating that while he has not watched the video, anyone who crosses the boundaries of decency will face consequences. Two Mumbai-based lawyers have already filed a police complaint against Allahbadia, also known as the bare biceps guy. Devendra Fadnavis said, "I have been informed about this, though I have not watched it yet. I came to know that it was very vulgar and this was wrong. Everyone has freedom of speech, but this freedom ends when we encroach upon others' freedom. Everyone has limits. If anyone crosses them, action will be taken," Fadnavis commented, emphasizing the importance of respecting others' rights.
मुझे भी इसकी जानकारी मिली है, मैंने अभी तक उसको फर्स्ट हैंड देखा नहीं है, लेकिन बहुत भद्दे तरीके से कुछ चीजों को कहा गया है, प्रेजेंट किया गया है, ऐसा मुझे भी पता चला है, जो बिल्कुल गलत है. फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच सभी को है, लेकिन हमारी फ्रीडम वहां समाप्त हो जाती है जब हम किसी और के फ्रीडम पर इंक्रोच करते हैं, और इस प्रकार का इंक्रोचमेंट ठीक नहीं है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अभिव्यक्ति इसकी भी कोई मर्यादाएं है. हमारे समाज में हमने अश्लीलता के भी कुछ नियम तैयार किए हैं. अगर उनको कोई पार करता है तो ये बहुत गलत बात है. अगर ऐसी कोई बात होती है तो उसके ऊपर कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए.
The controversy began when Allahbadia made inappropriate remarks during his appearance on India's Got Latent, a show hosted by Samay Raina. His crude remarks shocked viewers, as he asked a contestant about the size of their private parts and even offered to crore rupees for performing a sexual act. To make matters worse, he asked a disturbing question, borrowed from a recent YouTube episode: "Watch your parents have sex every day for the rest of your life? Or would you join in once and stop it forever?" In response to the backlash, Allahbadia issued an apology. "My comment wasn't just inappropriate, it wasn't even funny. Comedy is not my forte. I am just here to say sorry," he admitted, acknowledging that his comments were both out of line and harmful.
My comment wasn't just inappropriate, it wasn't even funny. Comedy is not my forte. I'm just here to say sorry.
Allahbadia further addressed his critics, saying, "Many of you asked if this is how I wish to use my platform, and obviously this is not how I wish to use it. I am not going to give any context, justification or reasoning behind whatever happened. I am just here for an apology." The 31-year-old YouTuber expressed regret over his actions, explaining, "I had a lapse in judgment and vowed he was learning from this experience."
Many of you asked if this is how I wish to use my platform, and obviously this is not how I wish to use it. I'm not going to give any context or justification or reasoning behind whatever happened. I'm just here for an apology. I personally had a lapse in judgment. It wasn't cool on my part. The podcast is watched by people of all ages. Don't want to be the kind of person that takes that responsibility lightly, and family is the last thing that I would ever disrespect. Need to use this platform better. That's been my learning from this whole experience. I promise to just get better. I've asked the makers of the video to remove the insensitive sections from the video. And all I can say in the end is, I'm sorry. I hope you can forgive me as a human being.
His apology served as a reflection of his understanding of the gravity of the situation, with a promise to be more thoughtful moving forward.